10.
Hello, this is Lamir, previously called Jumeirah Open Beach, and now it's become Lamir. I will run here.
Hello, if you didn't subscribe, please subscribe my channel and give thumbs up. I am here in Lamir, one of the famous tourist spot in Dubai, UAE, and I will run here and I will give the information about this place. This is morning time, 7 o'clock, and also due to COVID-19 the people are very less. Otherwise, if you come in the normal days or if you come in the evening also, there is a lot of people are visiting here. Lamir famous because of the beach. It has beach and also different restaurants and shops, the fancy one and the normal one. So please watch the video and enjoy. This is the main area of Lamir. They designed this place like a Europe. It reminds me Europe. Whenever I come here, the shops and the architecture and all the places like even the floor also it look like a Europe. Currently the shops are closed due to COVID-19 and also this very early in the morning, but in the evening they are all open and operational. A lot of people are coming here to visit. These all restaurants, and this is the beach. This is the open beach, and this is also open 24 hours. And if you see my front of, if you see in my front is Burj Khalifa, and in the events like New Year and national holidays and Eid holidays, this is the spot to see the fireworks. This is the spot where I'm running. This is the spot you can see the fireworks on my back side, and lot of people are coming here to see the fireworks. Also, if you see my fireworks video, you will see Lamir fireworks also on my video. And this is on right side. This is open beach. This is the fountain, the artificial lake and fountain. In the night, the lights are coming inside the water, so it look very nice in the night. This place is also look very nice in the night because all the lights are open, and you can see on my other videos. This is the end of Lamer, and I will just go back now. I will run back.
Still here, Lamer. If you go beyond this, there's the beach and there's a running track over there also. I will show you on my next trip the running track. Currently I am just showing you the Lamer, then I will show you the other place.
Due to COVID-19, the security are very strict. They are checking the temperature of everyone. So they are doing a good job to fight with corona. So we should appreciate those people. They are frontline people who are protecting us. So we need to always appreciate them and we need to support them.
This is a, it looks really beautiful in the night because all the lights are open in the night. So you can bring the car also here, but sometimes there is too many cars. They are blocking the passage, like they are blocking the way. So because in the night there is a lot of cars coming to just see the view. Okay, I will run now. So I hope you like the video. Please give big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for to see the